So look what I found. Do you know this? Can you tell by looking at these what they are? For those of you who are Jamaicans in the country, you should know it. And for those of you who have watched our videos, you should know this. So this is arrowroot, and this was just reaped. So this is the first fruit. This was actually planted a year ago, over a year ago. It's actually a little late in reaping. See, they started sprouting right here, re-sprouting. So that's arrowroot. Yeah, and many of you know it is great. It is great to take toxins out of the body. It's also great to make baby powder, along with so many others. It has great vitamins and minerals. Yes, if you have not seen our previous video on Arrowroot, we'll share a playlist in the description and comment section of this video. So yes, this is our first fruit of arrowroot. Yes, we're going to replant these ones and let it continue to grow. And you would check out our other videos on arrowroot. You'll see the leaf and all of that. I did not have my phone with me when I was reaping because I was just going to work. Yes, so yes, this is arrowroot, and so we're gonna wash it off. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it off and then strip it, and you know, it can make porridge. It is one of my favorite porridge from childhood. So yes, and I did do a video on making the arrowroot porridge, the best way to make it. Yeah, so check that out in the playlist. All right, enjoy this arrowroot. Awesome. Yes, it's great for the skin. The powder can be used to make powder. Baby powder can be used on rashes, and also can help to prevent rashes and other skin situation or issues. All right, keep watching. And this is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. To support our ministry, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.